Cryptocurrency is an ever-evolving space full of opportunities and risks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, one thing remains constant: research is key. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step crypto research strategy that can help you make informed decisions, avoid scams, and maximize your investments. Let's break it down. Why bother with research? Simple: crypto markets are highly volatile and speculative. Not all projects are created equal, some are groundbreaking, while others are outright scams. Without proper due diligence, you might fall for hype instead of value. Research helps you spot promising projects early, identify red flags, and build a diversified, high-potential portfolio. Here's your crypto research checklist. Focus on these 6 core elements. Team: who's behind the project? Are they credible, experienced, and transparent? White paper: read the white paper. What problem does the project solve? How? Technology: is the project's tech innovative, scalable, and secure? Community and adoption: is there an active, growing community and real-world use cases? Tokenomics: how is the token distributed? What's its utility? Partnerships and backers: are reputable companies or investors involved? Now that you know what to look for, let's talk about tools. Here are some essential platforms: CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko for market data and project overviews. Etherscan and BSCscan to verify transactions and wallet activity. Glassnode for on-chain analytics. Twitter and Reddit for community sentiment. GitHub to track development progress. Remember, no single tool tells the whole story. Cross-reference multiple sources for accuracy. Even with research, there are traps to avoid. Watch out for FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't chase hype. Stick to your strategy. Over-reliance on influencers: verify their claims, don't blindly follow advice. Ignoring red flags: if something feels off, dig deeper or walk away. Skipping security: use hardware wallets and enable 2FA to protect your assets. Let's apply this strategy to a real-world project. Take Ethereum, for example. Team: credible developers like Vitalik Buterin. White paper: focused on smart contracts. Technology: a leading Layer 1 blockchain. Community: massive developer and user base. Tokenomics: solid use cases for ETH. Partnerships: widely adopted across industries. That's how you evaluate a project systematically. Remember, research is your shield in the crypto world. Take your time, follow these steps, and make decisions based on facts, not hype. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay informed, stay secure, and happy investing.